I'm always trying to skate to where the puck is going. So right now, you guys have about a 15 to 18 month window on TikTok specifically to kill it, to become the queen bee or the king of your domain in this South Florida market. I'm telling you, like you have a window and that window's closing quickly. I started a Facebook group called Short-Term Rentals to Long-Term Wealth. My point is I went into the Facebook group and I was able to pull out 5 loans. Social media, going where people are. And I'm always thinking about, and Eric knows this because I kind of gave this similar talk to, we had our national sales rally for our mortgage company and I was asked to come and speak, and this was like the similar context of, I feel like, Wayne Gretzky, I don't know if anybody remembers that name. He was one of the best hockey players and I think top goal scorer. I'm not a hockey fan, but I love his quote of, they asked him, how do you score so many goals in hockey? Like, how are you so good at that? And he's like, well, everybody else is skating to where the puck is, but I'm skating to where the puck is going to be. And he was like that. I mean, to me, I was like, I love that. I'm always trying to skate to where the puck is going. So right now, you guys have about a 15 to 18 month window on TikTok specifically to kill it, to become the queen bee or the king of your domain in this South Florida market. I'm telling you, like you have a window. And that window's closing quickly, right? And so we also have a market share problem, right? So you guys have a lot of competition that's coming in and trying to take market share. Now, I'm not a guy that is, I don't have a scarcity mindset. I think there's plenty of abundance out there. So it's not like Sally wins and Mike loses. It's not the way, it's not a zero-sum game, but we are in a business of, there is a limited inventory, right? There's not unlimited houses. So it's not like, so although I don't have a scarcity mentality, there is a finite number of properties that you guys are either trying to get your buyers to buy or list. So you have to be better, right? And so I commend you for showing up this morning because a lot of your peers are not spending the time, investing the time, educating themselves on what to do and how important it really is. Because again, like I said, you have to understand what people are doing. They're spending all of their time on their phone, all of their time. And I never tell people what they want to hear. I just tell them my opinion and we can agree or not agree, but I'm not gonna, just because I want to work with somebody, I'm not gonna just try to appease them by telling them something that they want or agreeing. So I tell them, I said, well, it's fine that you have a problem with it, but that's where we are. That's where we're going. You can boycott it. You can say, I'm not gonna be on social media. And there's plenty of people that swore they would never have a Facebook account, right? And now they have a Facebook account.